In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a face on video in CapCut PC. This is a simple and effective way to hide someone's identity while keeping the rest of your footage clear. The basic idea is that you'll duplicate your video, apply a blur effect to the top copy, and then use a mask so the blur only appears over the face instead of covering the entire screen. After that, you'll animate the mask so it follows the subject as they move. Start by selecting your main video clip in the timeline. Once it's selected, press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V to create a copy. Take that duplicated clip and drag it directly above your original clip on the track above. This is important because the top clip is the one that will carry the blur effect, while the original clip underneath will remain untouched. Next, go to the Effects tab in the upper left area of CapCut. From there, open the Lens section and locate the standard blur effect tile. Drag that blur effect directly onto the duplicated clip on the top track. At this point, the full duplicate clip will look blurred, which is exactly what we want before isolating the blur to just the face. Now click and drag to highlight both the duplicated top video clip and the purple blur effect block attached to it. With both selected together, right-click the selection and choose Create Compound Clip. This groups the clip and its effect into one combined layer, which makes the masking process much easier and cleaner. Once the compound clip is created, select it and move to the top right settings panel. Go to Video, then open the Mask section. Choose the circle preset shape, resize that circular mask and position it over the face you want to blur. If the edges of the blur look too harsh, slightly increase the feather setting to soften the border. This helps the blur blend in more naturally with the surrounding image. To make the blur follow the face throughout the shot, move the playhead to the beginning of the clip. In the Mask panel, click the diamond keyframe button next to Position and Size. Then start moving forward through the timeline. As the subject moves, reposition the circular blur mask so it stays centered on the face. CapCut will automatically create new keyframes each time you adjust it, allowing the mask to track the movement over time. Take your time with this part for the smoothest result. Once the mask follows the face from start to finish, you're all set, done.